Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, again, Nigerian musician Davido caught kissing his new girlfriend in pictures that surfaced on the internet. Let's check out details. The Nigerian social media went agog on Tuesday morning, with many writing about Chioma after a loved-up picture of Davido and his new girlfriend and model Yafai surfaced on the internet. According to reports, the trending picture was taken when the Nigerian singer and American model were locking lips at a party in the US. The new lovebirds had earlier escaped to Saint Martin, a small island in the Caribbean that is part of the Kingdom of Netherlands, for vacation. However, today's revelation took a different turn, making a lot of people believe that Davido had indeed left his fiancée Chioma, who already has a son, for him. Davido and Chioma did a family introduction in September 2019 and were expected to get married in 2020, but for the COVID-19 pandemic. Davido later said the wedding would happen this year, but it's quite clear that the love story might have changed now that Davido is sighted with a new woman. According to reports, Chioma had stopped wearing her engagement ring since December, having gotten wind of Davido's new romance with the American model, who was in Nigeria late last year to spend Christmas and New Year with the Assurance crooner. However, a lot of people have reacted to the picture of Davido and the model, and here are some of the things we caught on social media. Shooter Girl wrote, Davido is seen with another woman, but it is Chioma that is trending. What time to be on Twitter NG? I am _Pressy that wrote, Chioma has a child with Davido. Limao. How women fall for these superstars' temporary display of affection still beats my mind. She really thought Davido was going to marry her. I mean, look at his personality. Person no marry you before you born give am. Hey, wow. Future Stephanie wrote, Davido and Chioma should just come and dispute these stories, cause what is all this now? I refuse to believe that Davido is cheating. Bodyfly wrote, make water carry me, they go far away, and I'm looking for a sister, Chioma, my lover. I'm waiting for the water that will flood Uncle Davido away. Nikki Babe 423 says, oh no, Davido, you broke my heart. I love to see you and Chioma together. Nigerians are still reacting on social media, but we definitely want to know what you think. Write it in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live.